Hello, beautiful people. I'm Rachel with Cactus and Lace Weddings. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Pinterest. We want to make sure that you know how we use Pinterest so that you can help us envision your perfect wedding day.
When you book with Cactus and Lace Weddings, your wedding planner will create a new board for you based on the ideas you have shared in your consultation. Here, I'm going to show you how to get to that board. There's two ways. The first is that you would be invited to the board, and so you can find that in your own notifications on your personal Pinterest account. You can see that you've been invited to the board. Click accept. The other way to get to the board is using the link that we give you in an email. You simply put that into your browser and it'll take you right to the board. On the board, at the top, you can see the name of the board, and you can also see the collaborators that have been included on the board. That will be us and some of the wedding vendors. You can also see here the description with some colors and other things that might be on the board, as well as your names. On the Pinterest board, you can see that we've made everything cohesive and beautiful. When you click on a pin, you can find there's more information underneath. The pin itself will have some comments and some notes. Let me explain both of these. Firstly, the comments are attached to the pin itself and don't necessarily come from us. They might come from other people. Obviously, this one is not even in English. But if we put notes to the group, that's notes directly from us, and we might ask direct questions. This is also a place where you can comment back to us. There are several ways for you to add pins. One would be to simply search something you might want to have on your board, such as pompous grass arch, and then you can find what you want. Click the drop down, find the Pinterest board, and click save. That will save it to the board, and you can find that again here. And you can make notes to the pins that let us know what you like about it or what you don't. If there's something on your board that you don't particularly like or want, we want to hear that as well. But because you don't own the board or are not the one who created the board, you can't delete anything. So simply by commenting on the pin itself, you can let us know, I don't particularly like this color, I don't particularly like this type of flower, or this pin, or this style, and we can delete it as we come in to modify the board.
I hope that I was able to answer all your pinning questions, but if you need any more help, please feel free to reach out to us at cactusandlaceweddings.com. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content about wedding tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.